Hi, it's Mike Delsignore, Massachusetts OUI lawyer. In today's video, I want to talk about some recent wins we had last week. We had two cases. Clients took breath tests, both professionals, one a dentist, another an accountant. Both avoided OUI convictions. So keep that in mind. You take a breath test. These tests are not perfect. There are flaws in the procedure, and I can help you get them excluded from evidence in your case. One of the cases, the key event was a motion that was done many months before the trial. There was an error in the process resulting in the breath test being excluded. We still had to go to trial. This resulted in a jury trial. My client was found not guilty, avoided any further license loss, just lost his license for the initial 30 days, but no further time. So at the trial, the officer testified about subjective observations, bloodshot, glassy eye, slurred speech, things like that. Those observations are very subjective, so we were able to show that there's other reasons other than alcohol why he might have presented that way. There was evidence of alcohol consumption, but it wasn't excessive. It's not illegal to consume alcohol and drive, so we're not in a zero tolerance state. So some level of alcohol is too much. At these cases, it's did the person have too much? Were they, as the jury says, jury's instructed, are they impaired by alcohol, meaning is your ability, mental ability, balance, coordination, is all that diminished by alcohol? So that's what the government has to prove. We want to try to make that burden as high as possible, indicate, clearly our client wasn't drunk. They weren't belligerent, polite, cooperative, respectful. So we want the case, when there's no breathalyzer, to be a matter of, are the observations significant? And we were able to argue the observations were minor, they didn't have major observations, and it raises a reasonable doubt. The other case I had, the breathalyzer, client took a breath test, we fought it, and we were able to get the case dismissed. He avoided an OUI conviction. The case was put down for trial in that situation. Today I had a case, motion for new trial was allowed based on some problems with the breathalyzer, and the case was ultimately dismissed. So I can help you. I handle cases all over Massachusetts, cases in Peabody, Woburn, Chelsea, Rentham, Attleboro, Plymouth County courts as well. You name it, I've been to every court, and not only have I been there, I've had tried cases there. I'm known in those courts, and I know the judges, prosecutors, so I can give you a realistic impression of how your case will go, regardless of where it is in Massachusetts. This is my passion, helping people charged with OUI. Call, text anytime, 781-686-5924. Mike Delsignore, here to help you.